Well, guys, I hate to say it. Actually, I don't hate to say it. Happy April Fool's Day. This is not a joke. Anything that's happening today is not a joke. But today we're actually getting rid of this car, as well as this car. Oh boy. One more time, guys, for the last time. I almost pressed the hazard lights. Oh, I'm gonna miss this car so much. And as we head off for this last drive in this beautiful 370Z Nismo, we're selling it, guys. And if you guys have been following along in the channel, you guys know that I've been trying to sell this car for the past month, 2 months almost. I've had a lot of guys hit me up being interested in the car. A lot of guys checked it out, but we never came to agree with pricing, or sometimes the person didn't even have their funds straight. Also, a lot of you guys have been asking me to part out the wheels and sell it separately, but I'm not gonna do that because it just takes away what the Nismo is, and I'm trying to keep this car as original as possible. I even got the Nismo exhaust sitting in the back, but in a way I feel sad, but at the same time it excites me. And also, I even said this before too, I want to sell the Nismo before we hit 40,000 miles. And right now we're sitting at about 39,987, guys. Ooh, is that a sign? Should we get a 987 Porsche? Nah, I'm just joking. But yeah, we're gonna sell the car before 40,000 miles. So I'm super happy with that, and I'm really happy that we kind of manifested that as well. But actually, roll on the windows one more time. Last time. Come on. Oh, see, I finally got it. Now I can hold the camera somewhat still and shift, pound it. Oh my god, why only now? Disappointed now. Honestly, I just don't know what to say. Like, I've been waiting for this day to happen, but at the same time, I was hoping it wasn't gonna happen anytime soon. I honestly thought that I was gonna sell this car sometime in the summer, maybe like June, July, especially because of the fact that gas prices are ridiculous. You guys know I say it all the time in the vlogs. Every time we go to a gas station, it like keeps going up and up and up. But I just honestly didn't thought people were gonna buy a car that takes Supreme. And to fill up this car, guys, I wanna say for the 370Z Nismo at a full tank, you'll get close to $100. We're almost there, guys. 39,993. Wait, did I say that right? 39,993. Oh boy. I think we're gonna get to the bank before it hits 40. Let's hope so. Man, I was so excited to do today's vlog. I totally forgot to do an intro, so welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see it on my glass, but it is drizzling. And as I said in my last video, every single time I make a sale or a purchase on anything automotive, whether it's my motorcycles or my cars, God never fails. And to me, rain is always a good sign of just having a blessing and just being thankful for everything that God has given. So today's a good day. And it'll be even better as soon as we get the check to sell the 370Z Nismo. I don't know why, out of all the deals I've made with selling or buying and selling cars and motorcycles and whatever, this one feels different. Like, this one just feels special for some reason. I mean, granted, buying the GTR was the most special moment, but this feeling is like, I thought it was just gonna be whatever, but at the same, I don't know, like, I don't know how to feel right now. It's like this weird feeling inside of me. This is it. Last walk around. Cleanest 370Z you will ever find, guys. Nismo, to be exact. I'm really gonna miss this thing, but I'm very, very confident that this is gonna be in good hands. Oh boy. this is goodbye. Gotta grab the paperwork. Got the title, everything in here. See you guys when this thing is sold. Alright guys, the deal is done. 370Z is no longer mine. Well, we got Raph over here.
Hey, how's it, everybody?
He's so cool backstory, right? He hit me up about a week ago, and then, you know, we had to do the whole loan processing and whatever. But the cool thing about this is that he's actually a 350Z owner as well, and he was trying to find a 370Z. So you've owned a 350Z, I think you said what, 5 miles?
Yeah, from day one.
That's crazy.
5 miles off the dealership.
That's crazy.
I owned it since last year, so I lost it last year.
Man,
to a car accident.
Oh, that's unfortunate. But hey, at least now we got a 370 Nismo. And what I think I dropped it in the last couple of videos before. It makes it a lot more comforting to me that I'm selling the Z to another Z owner, just because, you know, just to keep it in that heritage. And I know for sure he's gonna take care of it. And what's crazy too is that he actually knows my family members. So somewhere down the line, we're gonna see the car again. But hey, man, thank you again. This is gonna be well taken care of. I know that for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Not bad, huh? Have fun, man. There she goes. And we're back home. Man, we have an empty space now, guys. What car should we get next? But the video's not over. This car hasn't started in over 3 weeks. And mind you, this thing is extremely dirty. The moment of truth, because this car has to get out of the garage. And cold start in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh man, it's been a long while since we drove this thing. Honestly guys, I haven't driven this thing because I haven't serviced this car in like so long. It's like way overdue. I wanted to service this car back when it had 25,000 miles, but it's already at 28, almost 29,000 miles. Now granted, this car is still a baby, but again, I was being very lazy to service it. So only fitting that since we're getting rid of the 370Z from the garage, I might as well clear the whole garage. Y'all already know what we gotta do with this. And go. Haven't driven for so long, but still kicks every time. And just like that, we're back at Uncle Nestor's. Where are we going?
I've got a parking over there. The GTR.
Oh, check out what we got here at Nestor's shop. Sick Miata with an aggressive duck. But Nestor got a little addition to his car. Varus front end with the carbon slits over here. Perfectly paint matched. 1,000 horsepower on air with bead locks. That's freaking nuts, bro. Well, car's gonna be here for a while. I wonder where did Nestor get his tow hook? Oh, that thing looks super sick. The paint match is super good too, guys. That's dope. Belt's good. Do the plugs, trans, diff. Might as well do engine oil, axles. Hopefully we get rid of the wheel shake. And then Nestor's gonna give me his 1,000 horsepower GTR as my rental. Yeah. Driving beadlocks in the rainy days. No, don't do that, guys. I promise you. Don't do that.
I almost spun on my Corvette.
Well, This car is gonna be in the hands of Uncle Nestor. It's gonna be up in one of those rafters over there, collecting more dust than it already has. But it's gonna be nice and fresh, long overdue service. But Nestor's gonna take care of this car for us. Man, look, you even got a purple 370 over here. Dang, boy. Well, see you later, GTR. And just like that, guys, we're back in the daily. I'm extremely late for work. I had to get a workout in, and then now I'm heading to work. But man, the 370Z is gone. The GTR is out of the garage. I have nothing else right now, but still, we're gonna get creative, try to make content for you guys. But now that the 370Z Nismo is gone, it opens a lot of doors, guys. And there's so many things that I want to do, but it's just, I just want to be able to play my cards right. So right now, it's just gonna be some time to like fully plan everything. And yeah, you guys know that I also have the definitive brand also coming up, which I do want to try and launch. I know there's a show come mid-April or end of April, Hot Import Nights. I'm gonna try and make it if I can, depending on my work schedule. But other than that, guys, the possibilities are endless now. That's all I gotta say. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Again, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button as well. If you guys made it this far in this video, I thank you guys so much. Shout out to Raf again for purchasing the 370 Nismo. At least I know it's somewhat findable, if that makes sense, because I know I can contact him, and I know like he's friends, or he's like family friends. So yeah, what an eventful day. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, stay driven.